Hello friend, today we start system of unit. System of unit. Unit are classified into two groups. Number one, fundamental unit, and number two, derived unit. What is meant by system of unit? What is the definition of system of unit? A set of or group of a set of fundamental unit and derived unit is called as system of unit. A group of fundamental unit and derived unit is called as system of unit. Different countries use different system of unit. Different countries use different system of unit. There are some system of unit. Number one, FPS system. Number two, CGS system. Number three, MKS system. वेगवेगळ्या कंट्रीमध्ये वेगवेगळ्या सिस्टीम वापरले आणि या सिस्टीम ज्या तयार झालेल्या आहेत FPS, दिस सिस्टीम यूज द फंडामेंटल थ्री फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज which are these length, mass and time for the system of unit. First of all, we see FPS system. FPS system. FPS system stands for foot, pound, second system. FPS system stands for foot, pound, second system. Okay, it is a British system and it is used in Britain and English spoken countries. Some English spoken countries like in Europe. Okay, in this system, in FPS system, length is measured in foot. In FPS system, length is measured in foot, mass is measured in pound and time is measured in second. In FPS system, length is measured in foot, mass is measured in pound and time is measured in second. FPS system मध्ये आपण पाऊंड घेतो. फूट, पाऊंड, सेकंद. फूट म्हटलं की आपल्याला काय आठवलं पाहिजे? लेंथ. पाऊंड म्हटलं की काय आठवलं पाहिजे? वेट. पाऊंड म्हटलं काय आठवलं पाहिजे आपल्याला? मास. And just for second the time. Okay, now CGS system. CGS system means centimeter gram second system. CGS system stands for centimeter gram second system. Okay, it is a metric system. CGS is a metric system. In CGS system, length is measured in centimeter. In CGS system, length is measured in centimeter, mass is measured in gram, and time is measured in second. दोन्ही सिस्टीम मध्ये टाइम पहा सेकंदच आहे. मागच्या सिस्टीम मध्ये लेंथ ही फूट मध्ये मोजली होती आणि या सिस्टीम मध्ये लेंथ ही सेंटीमीटर मध्ये आपण मेजर करत आहोत. ओके, नेक्स्ट सिस्टीम MKS सिस्टीम. MKS system stands for meter kilogram second system. MK system stands for meter kilogram second system. It is also metric system. MK system is a metric system. In MK system, length is measured in meter. Length is measured in meter. Mass is measured in kilogram and time is measured in second. Time is measured in second. Okay, in MK system, length is measured in meter, mass is measured in kilogram and time is measured in second. In all this system, time is measured in second, but the length of unit is here in FPS system foot, CGS system centimeter, and in MK system is the meter. Okay, now the fourth one is SI system. SI system stands for System of International D Units. It stands for System of International D Units. System of International D Units. This SI system consists of 7 fundamental unit, 2 supplementary unit and large number of derived unit. This SI system consists of 7 fundamental unit, 2 supplementary unit अँड लार्ज नंबर ऑफ डिराइव्ह युनिट. या सिस्टीम मध्ये 7 कोणते आहेत? फंडामेंटल युनिट आहे, 2 सप्लिमेंटरी आहे, सॉलिड प्लेन अँगल आणि सॉलिड अँगलचे, रेडियन अँड स्टेरेडियन, आणि लार्ज नंबर ऑफ डिराइव्ह युनिट. अशा सगळ्या या ठिकाणी या दिस सिस्टीम कन्सिस्ट ऑफ 7 फंडामेंटल युनिट, 2 supplementary units and large number of derived unit. And this is the modification. This SI system is the modification of MK system. MK system लाच मॉडिफाय करून ही सिस्टीम तयार झालेली आहे. Therefore, we can say that SI system is the modification of MK system. Need of SI system. Need of SI system for exchange of scientific information between different parts of the world. Different part of the world, use of different system of unit becomes very difficult because different countries use different system of unit, and for the exchange of scientific information from one country to the another country, from different parts of the world, for exchange of scientific information between different parts of the world, use of different system of unit becomes very difficult. एका देशातली माहिती दुसऱ्या देशापर्यंत पोहोचणं, सायंटिफिक इन्फॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम वन पार्ट टू द अनदर पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड इज देयर इज यूज ऑफ डिफरंट सिस्टम ऑफ युनिट इज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट. इन्फॉर्मेशन एका सायंटिफिक इन्फॉर्मेशन पूर्ण वर्ल्ड मध्ये जर आपल्याला या ठिकाणी शेअर करायचे असेल आणि एक्सचेंज करायचे असेल आणि आपण काय करतो डिफरंट जर सिस्टम ऑफ युनिट जर वापरले तर या ठिकाणी इट इज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट. इट बिकम्स व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट कारण आपल्या इकडे लेंथ ही फूट मध्ये किंवा कुठल्या देशामध्ये लेंथ ही फूट मध्ये वापरत होते, कुठल्या देशामध्ये लेंथ ही सेंटीमीटर मध्ये, काही देशामध्ये लेंथ ही मीटर मध्ये. त्यामुळे एक्सचेंज ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू द अनदर प्लेस, फ्रॉम वन कंट्री टू अनदर कंट्री, बिटवीन डिफरंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड इज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट. ओके, टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लेम इन 1971 द 14 इंटरनॅशनल कॉन्फरन्स ऑन वेट अँड मेजर a common system called as System of International or SI system was accepted. This SI unit is used decimal system. This SI unit use decimal system. Therefore, conversion within the system is very simple and convenient. Very simple and convenient.